How to buy PINEYE token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you want to my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is referral links down in the description. You can get free money with some crypto with this referral links down in the description. Go and find your account to enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, before going and buy this token, make sure to check their accounts and keep following the updates about this. Okay, check their Telegram channels and the Telegram bots. They have to include it on their X accounts. So if you go on CoinMarketCap, you will be able to see this or to find this token here or there. So if you want to buy this token, click on markets and you will be able to see this different exchange platform. One of these is the MixC. So if you don't have an account on MixC, go down in the description and you will find a referral link. Go and create an account on the MixC and fund it with some USDT to be able to buy this token. So click on this pair link and you will be able to relax to this page token to buy it. So after that, click on limits or the market is the same. Set here how much you want to buy, and here we'll be able to see how much you will receive of that token to be able to pay to be able to buy this token. So after that, click on buy PINEYE. So if you select the market, drag this to set how much a percentage that you want to use to be able to buy this token. So after that, click on PINEYE and you will be able to buy the token on your account. So this is how to buy PINEYE token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.